Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem and how to update the drivers on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, I will show you how to open Device Manager. There are multiple ways, but I will show you the simplest way to open Device Manager. We need to simply right click on the start icon and select Device Manager. Okay. Once we are here, if this not work, you can just go to search bar, type your device manager, and from the search results click here to open it. Now here we will there are multiple devices are available. For example, sound, video and game controller devices, the network devices, display adapters, and audio inputs and outputs, mice and other pointing devices. So the process of updating drivers are same for each and every devices. For example, I will show you. I want to update the drivers of display adapter. I will simply right click here and click on properties. Then we have to set click on drivers tab and click on update driver. So here I will get two options. The first one is search automatically for drivers and the second one is browse my computer for drivers. If you are connected with your internet connection, then select the first option and the best drivers will be installed automatically. If this not work, you can go for second one. Then click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then select the model, go to next, and yeah, it will refresh your display because I am updating the drivers of display. And once done, close this window, close all windows one by one. Now I wanted to update the drivers of sound, video and game controllers. I will shortly show you how to update the driver. Just right click on it, go to update driver, select the first option, and yeah, it's very easy. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.